right there. So this is the Nitecore. I think it's something NU25 that they sent me. This is actually like my favorite now. It's under 2 ounces. It does everything. It does a complete lockout. It's USB rechargeable. It has 20 lumens. I'll go over this later. And then you hold it down, it goes to 360 lumens. Then you got low red, high red, blinking red. I'll go over, but there's SOS, there's strobe. This has everything, and for a really affordable, in the ultra lightweight category, rechargeable, fantastic. I'll go over a little bit more when I get back in town.